Radhe Radhe everyone. In this video, I will be talking about Google Data Analytics Apprenticeship Program offered by Google itself. So Google is back with another apprenticeship program for aspiring data analysts. So this video will be very important to all the freshers, to all the people who have career gap and to all the people who have experience also. So let us see what is exactly the eligibility criteria, who can actually apply, what are the skills required to apply for this apprenticeship program, and when is the last date to apply. So everything will be covered up in this video, so stay tuned till the end. It will be very useful for you all. So let's start the video, and before that please do hit the like button of this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to it, and you can also follow me on Instagram Learn with Gigs, where I regularly share job related updates. Plus, do hype this video as it helps to reach more learners. Alright, let me take you to the apprenticeship program details and walk you through the entire process. So this is the link that you have to use to apply. I will be sharing it in the end, so don't worry about it. First of all, understand about the entire program. So you can see on the screen, here is the program details, and let us understand each point accurately. So apprenticeships are not a full-time opportunity. Okay, understand, this is not a full-time opportunity with Google. This program is for 24 months in duration. Basically, this is for 2 years. So if you get selected, you need to work in Google for 2 years as an apprentice, not as a full-time opportunity at Google. So if you have to apply at Google, you need to wait to the last. You can see the second point, you are eligible to apply for any full-time opportunity at Google in the last 3 months of your apprenticeship program tenure. Now, very important thing, what is the eligibility criteria? So this program is open to those who are interested in data analytics careers. Recent graduates can apply. So what does recent graduates mean? Recent graduate means freshers who are completing their graduation this year, 2026, and who have completed graduation in the recent couple of years. So from my knowledge and experience, I can tell you, if you have graduated in like I would say from 2021, so even if your graduation is 5 years back done, still you are eligible and you should apply for it, and you will be definitely considered, similar to a person who is graduating this year in 2026. So don't worry, even if you have graduated in 2022 or 2023 or 2021, you can still apply as a fresher. The next point is individuals with work experience in other industry may apply. What does this mean? This means that, for example, you have started your journey, you have started your professional journey, but you have worked in some other sector. For example, you have worked in BPO sector. For example, you have worked as a software engineer. So you have worked in some other sector, in some other domain, not in data analytics, and you have work experience in that couple of years. You have worked in that domain. Till you are eligible for that. But the only thing is that you have discontinued your professional journey. That means you have worked for a couple of years, 2, 3, 4 years, and then you have a gap now. And now again you want to restart your journey. Even if you're a male or a female, you will be given equal opportunity. So that is what it means. Like if you have some work experience in different sector, and after that if you have a career gap, you are also eligible to apply. So this is what it means clearly. I hope it is clear. What you have to keep in mind is that whenever you're like applying, on your resume it should be clearly visible what is your year of graduation, because they are very particular about it. What is your year of graduation completion? According to that only you will be given preference or priority. The next point is, which is very important, is that the whole process of interview, it will be going for around 18 to 24 weeks. So that means 4 to 5 months of time is taken by Google to actually process the entire interview schedule. So you need to have patience. So if you will be getting shortlisted, they will directly approach you through mail or through direct call. So you will be approached. You don't have to reach out to anyone else to get the update. If you are getting selected for any interview round, you will be directly reached out by Google itself. Now, the next point is, this role is not eligible for immigration sponsorship or compensation negotiation. That means whatever salary they are providing to everyone, it will be fixed for everyone. Even if you have some like prior work experience and you are getting some particular X salary, now once you get selected and you join this apprenticeship program, you will be given the same salary. So there will be no salary negotiation. It will be fixed for everyone who will be joining this campaign. Next point, which is very important, is that the posting will be live until 3rd of August. So that means you need to apply by 3rd of August for this apprenticeship program. So be quick. Once you see this video, go ahead, click on the link and apply. Obviously you need to prepare a resume, that is very very important. What kind of resume you are preparing to get shortlisted, this is very important. So to get some idea how your resume should look like as a fresher when you are applying, what you do, you need to go to my channel and you need to go to this playlist called Inspiring Stories of Data Analyst, and there is one YouTube video which I have uploaded is 5-6 months back. This video, BSc to Junior Data Analyst as Fresher. So this podcast that you need to watch is of Gitanjali. So what Gitanjali, if I'm not wrong, she shared that she got selected in the first round of Google Data Analytics Apprenticeship program, which happened last year. Okay, so she got selected for the first round. So she presented her resume which she created, which helped her to get shortlisting done. So do watch this video in this playlist if you need to get more details around how to create your resume and how to present it while submitting the application in Google Apprenticeship program. So do watch this video, BSc to Junior Data Analyst of Gitanjali. Alright, coming back to the apprenticeship program details. Next couple of details are very generic. So that means you need to have Aadhaar linked by like your mobile number. You should have a proper bank account. So all those things you should be ready with. So I hope that you already have. The next point is that the location. The location will be either of four. One is Hyderabad, second one is Bangalore, third one is Gurgaon, and fourth one is Mumbai. So out of these four locations, you will be given one location and you need to go there and complete the apprenticeship there itself. Next couple of important points that you should be aware of. What skills are required to apply for this position? So the minimum skill requirement is that you should have an understanding of SQL programming. So you should have knowledge of SQL, and at the same time you should have some reporting knowledge also. For example, if you know Power BI or if you know Tableau, that is also sufficient enough. Even Excel is also sufficient enough. So overall, from skill point of view, basic SQL, basic Power BI plus Excel is required. Excel particularly, they prefer Google Sheets. You can see like applications of Google Gmail, Chrome, Docs, Sheets, etc. So you should know how to use Google Sheets, which is similar to Excel. So if you have knowledge around all these, definitely you are eligible for it and you should apply. And only graduation degree is required. Any kind of graduation, BA, BCom, BSc, whatever you have done, you are eligible for this apprenticeship program. Now the next important point that you need to take care of is you should have very good communication skill also. You see, ability to communicate in English fluently. Okay, this is very important point. Many people think that if they are not comfortable in English language, still they should apply. Obviously, you can apply it, but if you are not able to communicate properly, you will be rejected straight away because English fluency is necessary. And once everything is done and if you get shortlisted and if you clear the interview rounds also, once you join the company, what will be your roles and responsibilities? So once you will be joining Google, so entire your roles and responsibilities will be revolving around Google products. That means you'll be using Google Sheets, you'll be using Google BI tools, reporting tools, like the tool that is used by Google is Looker. So you'll be using Looker, SQL, right? Google Sheets, all those things you'll be using in your tenure of apprenticeship program. So I hope this is also clear to you now. The last date is, again I'm repeating, August 3rd. Please do apply before that. If you have any other question in your mind, please comment it down. I will reply to you as soon as possible, and share this video among your network so that it reaches more and more learners. Thank you and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.